All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys had a great weekend. Happy to be back. Got 1 minute till the open. We got SMXT, MNTS. MNTS is doing the dang on thing already. Entry window 935 to 11, max loss 3R. Trend lines and support lines must be higher, lower, double bottom on the 5. Looking for a closed red or a hammer at support. Lower low to previous candle. What up, Pond? He said he ain't ready yet, so I'm waiting. I'm waiting for him to say he's officially ready, but I'm starting today, Pond. What's up, 3 Pony? What up, OG? Yeah, it's gonna be wild for sure, man. I think all I gotta do is focus on getting my number right here up, and everything else will take care of itself. Everything else will take care of itself. There's the open. Morning, Stanford. Man, boy. Yo, what up, BLT? I know, right, Pond? Yeah, I got challenged over the weekend by Frank Day Trading. So we're gonna be doing a small account challenge for the month of January, starting at sometime this week, I think. Yeah, bring green every day this year. Me too, bro. Me too. It's a good year. Some XT looking pretty decent. A little cheap though. Nice. What'd you trade? Nice. Mm-mm-mm. Man, MNTS is rolling. Wow. SMXT got slapped. Wave Rider, what's up, bro? Slapped. Man. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty much looking for like 2 trades a day at the most right now. I mean, whatever turns up in my window, I'll trade, but um definitely less is more for me right now. What up, Trey? Bobby, what's going on? Good morning. What VRME doing end up doing? Yeah, SMXT got slapped. It's looking rough. Man, 64 is amazing though, bro. Like I would be so happy to be 64. I think I can do it though. I think my rules can get me to 64 if I can follow them. Yeah, 70s is like elite. What's your risk to reward ratio? Leon, my man. What's up, bro? Not too much, man. Just trying to kick off the new year with strong trading principles and a high amount of discipline. Ah, dude, 64. I mean, it of course it depends on your risk to reward ratio, but I mean, I think 64%, like that leaves you a lot of room. Like 2 to 1 at 64% is freaking amazing. Nah, this real money, Leon. We in the game. EA Sports. So 1 to 1. Yeah, I mean 1 to 1. As long as your math is profitable, you know, you just got to be beating 50% for 1 to 1. Yeah, Ross, wow. Yep, straight up, Leon. Yeah. Yeah. What's my strat now? Um, I'm still looking for the beginning of the uptrend, that first higher low, but I'm focusing all my talents on the 5 minute chart and levels, taking trades off of support levels. Yeah, just slow things way down, Leon. Just been trying to be patient and wait for the higher time frame confirmation of the 5 before I start getting active. Hmm. Where we gonna get MNTS back down to? Pretty nasty turnaround. Oh, you guys getting static? Oh man, let me make sure everything's plugged in good. Yeah, I'm definitely not. I don't know, man. I don't look too terrible. I don't like that first pullback though, like that. Yeah, and whenever the stop is jacked, it ain't no good, bro. Cause you would want to put your stop under 1. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, it's been a little sluggish, a little lack of follow through. But it seems like every day there's something. But when it's only like one thing, it's really hard to be in the right place at the right time. It's looking kind of lame today. Already? Yeah, I need some extreme pullback. At least 946, but it's pre-market high, but that ain't really that significant. Need more. In the eights. Oh, that's funny, Trey. uh, yo, what up, HH? SMXT making a new high over here on the 5. A little double bottom. 10. Time for the fear to kick in now. The wash. New lower day. Yeah, I was feeling like that too, Bobby. Trey talking about he want 8s. I'm like, I don't know if I even want it way down there. Thing is wrapped. Yeah, it looks bad. That's a nasty close on the 15, yo. Yeah, it's a nasty close on the 15. Disgusting. Yeah, it's quite a move that it made. I mean, from 825 up to 1170. Sounds like a good squeeze opportunity. Joker looking kind of good now, huh? For the good shorts to be worried, yeah. Yeah. Just back over the highs. SMXT looking interesting though. Holding that 103 low for 15 minutes. Got the triple bottom on the 5, man. Mm-hmm. I'm waiting for a second high. This MXT looking kind of ready for the reversal, man. See what that pullback looking like. MXT rolling too. They're rolling. Man, UAVS. Cut through bodies. Yeah. It's a force. Yeah, indeed. Dang, SMXT boy. The squeeze only. Yeah, somebody was talking about May in the Discord. Who knows? Hold on 1 second, y'all. All right, my bad, guys. Had to take that phone call. Yeah, I was on a call. Stanford, my bad. You know, I'm a working trader, so I got to take those phone calls when they come in. This SMXT setup looks interesting. Stop will be trash though. Boy, MNTS got washed down, didn't it? We got bought right back up though. VRME. I thought that was gonna be a halt fest. That was pretty nice right there. It's too late now. Yeah, I didn't put VRME on the side over here. I wish I'd have seen this. That would have been the one right there. ASTI. Oh wow. Yeah, that looks diabolical. No trades, no trade day, huh? That's what's up. All right, bro. Way to lead the way in discipline. Yeah, I mean, ain't nothing looking too promising at this point. You might get your eights on MNTS, Trey. Coming in hot. There's 9. There's 8. Well, thanks, HH. Try to get a little better. Really, OG? That's what's up, man. Just making it this long, bro, is an achievement. VRME new high day. Yeah, that $1 area was great for VRME. What you doing over here, Trey? Oh, all right. already know ups and downs, man. $8.25 on them, huh? Say lower. Kind of liking this SMXT, man. I don't know if it's gonna give me a way in or not, but looks kind of cool. Yeah. Yeah, it's way too far on the upside. VRME for me right now. $124. Look at that. Yeah, I needed to have been watching it right here. Hmm. Wow, that's pretty devastating. Yeah, I'm definitely waiting for another low here. Just need to break 112 and hold. Break 112. Hold 110 maybe. Hmm. Shame. Look like it's about to do it. There it is. Is this what you want? Wow, VRME 130s. D. There's your lower day sweep, Trey. There it is. Straight through the mattress. Yeah, I can dig it. VRME might could work at pre-market high. It might could work. Volume ain't too bad at all. No, it's only the first minute. First minute of the candle. Yeah, it's definitely still downtrending for me. It's still downtrending for me. Oh yeah, absolutely. Need that higher low, dog. It's a decent spot though for the pullback for sure. Uh-huh. Yeah, good looking out BLT. Yeah, that's quite a move up, man. I don't know. I don't know, bro. At this point on VRME, I'd be waiting. I'm waiting for the lower high and the next trend line down. Just missed this one. This was it right here. Can't get it after you missed it. Draw the uptrend. From where though? These 2 points? What are you talking about from pre-market? Mm. 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 No trades today either, huh, Bobby? Yeah, I guess the market is temperature kind of low today. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I needed to make another low, man. I needed to break 9 right quick. It's a good. I like this buy over the high of this candle though. It's really a good buy over 929. Just ain't made that low yet. SMXT actually, the volume profile on this pullback is really nice. I just can't say that I've seen some buyers come in, but this is nice. But yeah, I can't say that I've seen some buyers come in. It's a nice little pattern on VRME too. Yeah, I'm about to miss both of these joints. Still got some time. Man, that's it right there, bro. I should be buying it right there. Trend line break. Little test below. Bruh. Yeah, I can't really. Womp womp. Mm. Dang, bro. What would have been a rule break? And VRME is rolling nice. I gotta add this pattern to the playbook right here. The inside Harami. Gotta add that joint. Oh, yeah, I know. That's why I didn't buy it, because it didn't make the low. Yeah, that's the only reason I didn't buy it, because other than that, I liked it. But just have finally, I think, accepted that I can't take the trades that don't fit my strategy, even if I really want to. Hands we sit. Hands we sit. But I do like seeing it about to curl up, you know? That's a sign that we might have a trade coming in the near future. Got a higher high now. Dang, okay, the new low right there. Mm-hmm. Entry was way down there though. Uh, I should be in this already. Why am I not taking it? This indecision. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, this low was enough. Could have got in at 121, stopped 115, but it just the lower high. Um, Morning knives. Mm. On what? UAVS? Oh, IMBS. Nice, man. 4R. I'm waiting for 18. Sounds glorious. Wonder if I'm gonna be mad at myself for not taking VRMB. I would say this was more of a continuation setup that I'm trying to avoid taking. But I mean, that's why I would avoid that. But then it still holds with another higher low. I think that's more actionable. But yeah, I don't know. I technically could have taken it without it being a rule break, but I just wasn't positive about it. So I'm cool with passing that up. 43, 43, another 1 cent teaser. You in something, Trey? Dang, man. 1 penny from the entry. If this Joker just tipped 149.42. I would have slapped in there. This mug has not made a lower low since this candle. Yeah, I mean, I could have hit into this trade, but I'm not feeling any regrets about that now. Yeah, I don't want to be taking them just for the hell of it. This looks solid too, man. There goes VRME. Yeah, I should have taken that. Feeling a little bit gun shy. Yo, what up, B? How's the morning going, Brian? Bruh. It sure is, man. Ah. Man, when you see stocks moving up and you're not trading them, it makes definitely makes you question your setup. Like, bro, what is this trash setup I'm trading that's not allowing me to trade these stocks? uh, but it's all good. FOMO. Nah, we're done there. It's just funny to see it in real time. I can see the FOMO in real time. MNTS look cool. It just need a nice little pullback. Like, bruh, this looks nice though. This would have been a cool little spot to enter. But this one down here, yeah, I I mean, of course, that lower low. There is a lower low that is the best entry, but I always miss that waiting for confirmation. This thing's dead volume wise at this point. Yeah, it is to me, Brian. The need for a lower low shouldn't override a double bottom. Nah, double bottom is I mean, it should be making a lower low if it's coming and make a double bottom. Where you see the double bottom at? Oh, are we talking about on MNTS? This right here. Bottom swing, nothing without catalyst. I don't know, Trey. I feel like that's a slippery slope. Dang, nice pop on VRME. Yeah, I just totally punked out right here. Hmm. Thanks, HH. Well, I'm talking about when they next to each other, like when I'm waiting on the lower low, and it's just like two candles next to each other. I don't know. That's where seeing something extra on the one to get me into that kind of trade. Mm, this thing's dead, yo.
Order filled.
What we say, pattern over everything. I mean, I'm seeing the orders coming in on the tape though, bro. That's really what it is. VRME, I missed it. I was too scared to get in when it was time to get in. Frank smiling in the corner. That's funny. Another higher high. Pretty solid uptrend confirmation there. But can we make it up past this point? That. Little volume pop down here. No. Tape looking pretty decent. I hope they bring it on over here, man. I like what I'm seeing so far. Just need them to start buying the 106, yo. Oh. TS setting up a bit. $107 on the ask already. Big orders coming through. 107. Where though? I don't see any orders. Just sitting on the ask. Okay, we got some. $108, $109. Let's go. Man, this is my first trade right here, Don Black. I've been sitting on hands, fighting back FOMO this whole time. Just got into SMXT right here at 103. Yo, Center Star. What up, bro? Just gotta break out of this trend line, yo. That's the only thing about it. A lot of sides at 106. And the numbers just going up, even though the sales are the bids getting hit. That's good. SMXT. All right, now don't get me excited. MNTS don't look too bad right here. Got that lower high right there, though. Gotta watch out for that. Gotta watch out for that. But that ain't too bad. It was 43, 42. Yeah. Chill right here, though. Yeah, I'm gonna chill right here. Good. Now I don't have to worry about in my MNTS no more because my trade timer just went off and I can't take any more trades anyway. So give SMXT my undivided attention. Ooh. Man, I wanted some tea so bad this morning, but I don't have any sweetener. I got like a little tiny bit of sweetener. I think I'm gonna go gully and have some anyway. I don't know if I got time. Yeah, what I was looking at it, what MNTS is how much strength it moved down and how kind of shallow this move back up is. You know, it's not as exciting as I would want it to be. Price target. Probably 117. Somewhere around there. Yeah, it's tough. It just needs to just do good enough to steal some attention and pop up on some scanners. And then we'll be all right. Which probably would need a new high of day. But not a big volume rush trigger. Yeah. Definitely feels like it's hold and hope time. Womp womp. Put some water in my tea maker. Oh, snaps. Got some motion. We out the trend line now. See if we can stay out of there. Shoot, we might have to. What's this? 123, 120s. Let's see. Yeah, it's too long of a pullback. Where's Bugs when we need him? Greed has entered the chat. Come on, Bugs. We ain't asking for too much. We ain't asking for too much, Bugs. Nah, MNTS looking pretty fire right here, though. I'm glad I ain't got to worry about it, though. 111? Come on in. $112. Getting thick up here. What is this? Look at that. 100 shares at 115. Man, 110 is getting stacked. I'm looking for the reversal at this point, but I mean, I'm gonna start selling at 117, so it doesn't have to. Hey, what up, Frank? Chilling, chilling. Um, I'm really mainly looking for just a third high out of this bad boy, which is why I thought we could get to 117, but it kind of feels like it's running out of steam now. How you doing over there today, Frank? The legends. Stopped out 3R only. Hey, that's still the dub. Alright, all them shares that was sitting at 110, they just blew through them, huh? See if we can get back up there. If we can stay over this line, I'll be pretty happy. Yeah, that's how I feel too, Trey. Taking them a long time to do it. Appreciate it, Frank. Just let me know when you're ready, bro. Back down to 107. I remember 106 being pretty stacked. Okay, that's what's up. Let me know. Let me know. Yeah, I always knew what he meant when he said you can see support in real time. Yeah, I get that. I even got him started, Trey. That's hilarious, Brian. Like, be clear, bro. did get my yellow line to yellow line though. So the joke's gonna be on me for not taking profit. But I could just see 117. Something is going through my mic right now. I can see the did I take off the noise gate? Let me see if I took off the noise gate. No, it's still on. You hear it all? Yeah, I don't know. I see it, but I can't hear anything myself. I don't know what it could be. Yeah, my mic thing is active like mud. Guess I have to work that out. MNTS is looking better now. Got the lower low though. No, it's not. No, it's not. The market is telling. Is the market telling you sell, sell, sell? Frank the Tank. I know. Is he blocked? Pulled his consent. Yeah, it's a little chilly here in Kansas City, man. Got the hot tea now, though. It's that Harami. Kind of. I'm telling you, bro. What's up, Dirk? Nothing, man. Just sitting in my first trade. Classic. Am I? Good looking out. Walaikum salam. Beard problems. Nah, I didn't get VRME, man. I wasn't even watching it, bro. This would have been my spot right here, but I wasn't even watching it. Nah, I'm talking about down here, bro. All right, Frank. Be easy, bro. We get back over 110, man. We might have some fun over here. Yeah, it's actually hasn't been that bad in Kansas City. It's been like 40s lately. Cool. Come on, man. Break it on down. Yeah, I definitely see the trade for sure. I definitely see the trade. Yeah, I just don't trust the level over the pattern to take the dip to the level without having the pattern. Not yet, anyway. Hmm. Looking kind of weak here, SMXT. Might just have to go on and get the break even up out of here. Get the break even up out of here. Hello? Huh. Is the audio better? Yeah, that is an option, huh, Brian? That is an option. Yeah, I'm not seeing the pops on my audio feedback anymore. I don't know what I did, but maybe just opening that panel for the filter fixed it. Better sell rules. Mm, I could see that. Can I move this somewhere else? Yeah, I'm looking at that too, HH. Yeah, this joint was looking nice on the 15, but hmm. Stock market still hungover. Man, happy I stayed out of MNTS. I wanted to get in here. I just needed another low. Didn't give it to me. Went pretty nicely up there to pre-market high, $10 level. Hope I would have sold there. I don't know. Yeah, I knew it was a reason to stay out of that joint. Some gotta give. Yeah, I did. I saw the volume was dead. I actually said it was dead before I got in, but it was doing the pattern that I wanted to see. And I mean, it got me from one level to the next. I just didn't sell. Took off VWAP. Was it? $6 mil, 25 or 27? 24 or 27? Which one? $39 million. Yeah, that's a lot for a dollar joint, huh? Do 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 do. Actually, it's coming right back to that uptrend line. do 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 do. Was it? I had UAVS on watch this morning. Wow, I did really well. I just didn't have any levels on it, but I thought about it right here. Had my little side eye on it, but no levels. All right, about ready to let this one go. Yeah, it didn't seem to have much attention. That's why I didn't really put much weight on it or draw my levels or anything. Man, that's what's up. Yeah, we're right up there by 12, huh? Well, stops above break even. So Today's either a break even day or I don't know. My bad. Thanks, Brian. I am starting to look pretty good now. Ass starting to go up a bit. Got over that 110 level I was kind of worried about. $113 is the next goal here. I'm super happy to see some volume coming in finally. Thanks, Knives. just so many days where I ended the day and looked back and saw that if I'd have just been patient from my setup, it could have been easy peasy, you know? Just like a little easy, like one that I really like, a nice little hammer time into support, higher low. Like if I could just wait, they happen, you know? I just don't be wanting to wait. There's 112. Easy peasy, baby. Lemon squeezy. Alright, so we double topped 112 here. So I'm definitely, what's this low? 106. Yeah, we come back down here, it's a wrap. Go 105. I think the 15 wants to go. So I'm not really worried about this tail. Just the 15. That's hilarious. Once you get far into the day, bro, it just makes sense to have a little higher time frame perspective. I will not ever put back the lower ones though, because that's the ones that make me make the lower time frame. Making lower time frame decisions on the higher time frames is stupid, but making higher time frame decisions on the lower time frames is okay. Come on, dog. Come on, dog. We so close. We're so close to the goal. We're so close. Yeah. Yeah, I could have definitely gotten out. Yeah, I wasn't even thinking the double top too. Yeah, look like that's a wrap, folks. Yeah. 111 was it. Ain't nothing sitting on 106 anymore. Uh-oh. Yeah, 106 was 106 and 110 were like the two big levels that I noticed on the level two. Nice. Bruh, if we can take out 112, yo. I think I want this on the ask side. I think I want to be able to see this next to the ask. Mm. Yeah, it makes more sense to me as a long trader. Really, we want to see it right here in the middle. Hmm. So low volume on high float is a terrible combination. That's what you're saying. See, how does 109.20 come through and we ain't eat none of that? Come on, dog. Too much agreement on price. Mm. Nah, I think I pulled up JCSC at one point, but this has been it. It's a long ride for pretty much break even. MNTS, I don't know what to make from that. That's cool. That's cool. Can we get some orders at 110? Oh, did my broker allow trades? I don't see why not. I've never had a stock that I couldn't trade. Shout out to Street Trader Global. HHB sending thank you emails when they block that stuff. I know, bro. I hope so too. I need a cutoff time. I'm happy to see orders going back through 110 though. Just got to get over 112. And I can have my 117. I think. Possibly. Just no volume. It's just no volume. Just no volume. I didn't even consider it. I'm only watching 2 stocks plus a maybe, and you know they just don't all make it up to the plate. Bruh, how did I get here? Play market maker. Pattern over everything and boredom. I wouldn't say boredom. Mm, yeah, maybe. I should have took that trade on VRME. Oh man, good looking out. Good looking out. Yeah, there's no hope. Dang, that one look kind of fired up. Back over 110. Oh yeah, I got my stop at 105. My entry's 103.5, so yeah, homeboy's tripping. Homeboy's tripping. Why would he just put that much size there like that though? I thought they always want to hide that stuff. It's gone now. And back. Confidence. Shenanigans. Ooh. Quite a dump there. That. That looks terrible. Yeah, it's going so slow. I kind of wanted to see how much time is actually taking place between these orders. It's got to be the dip before the rip. Come on, man. Back up to 109. Man, it's lunchtime. The gateway to prediction. Oh, perdition. Ooh. 110 back on the ass. Mr. Arca still with the fat order block. Yeah. Just a bunch of rearranging going on. Ain't nobody sending no orders through. Oh, what that mean? They just ate up that Arca block on the bid side though. Interesting. $175 now on NASD. 113 price guarantee. You feeling that way about it? I'm on 117. But I think I'll send half off through 113. We'll see. I don't know. The longer I wait, I feel like I need a little more reward for my patience. Just asking. I would like the 113 guarantee. I don't know if we're getting through 110 though. All right, got some 110 orders finally. Nice size ones too. Doesn't seem to do much. Just sat there and looked at it. It's ridiculous. Six. Yeah, I'm totally good with my stop. Um, yeah, this look like a wrap. Yeah, this is silly, yo. One 112. Never. Even more, even bigger size on 110 now. Hmm. The market's telling me. The RME looks pretty good right there. It's torture. This is like Chinese water torture. Hmm. Why don't I believe myself? Why don't you believe yourself? That what? That I should exit the trade? Well, I mean, because I mean it's actually I bought it. My idea worked, and I mean it's technically working. It's just working really slowly. Very slowly. Look for a reason to buy. Yeah, I mean, the volume is like gone. That's how I feel too. It's just like when though. It's like it's rearing up for the move, but I'm just the volume is just getting less and less. That I'm just like, how? All right, I gotta put a line in the sand here. I'm thinking if it hasn't broke one or the other by 12:30, I'm just gonna sell. Hmm. Set sell order and leave. I wonder if it'll let me. Hmm. That's cool, Brian. It's just like my rules for exiting are, either it hits my stop or it goes to target, and the uptrend is kind of, I don't know, it's lingering, it's dead. You know how pissed I would be if I took it out and it went up to 125. Hey yo. Yeah. Where's VWAP at right now anyway? They sure keep playing around at 110. Well, my stop's actually already over break even knives. So shouldn't actually have -1R. It tells me in level 2. Oh, it does. Huh. That's pretty cool. I did know that. I just forgot. Yeah, that's for sure, HH. I mean, something gotta happen though, right? The candles are getting more and more narrow. Somebody's gotta break. Either the low is gonna break or the high is gonna break. But somebody's gotta break. %. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Something about to happen. I'm cool with whatever happens. I just need it to happen. Now I got this upside of the trend line right here, which I mean, yeah, like if it didn't fill my stop and I ended up like, that would be, yeah, that would suck. Nah, I don't eat breakfast. I usually eat after lunch, around lunchtime. Needs, yeah, I need something. I'm ready for something. Gosh, just go. Now it looks like it's breaking down. What's this low? 107. Yeah. long as it don't break 106 though. I just would love to see some volume. That would be just so nice. You think so? I mean, I think they were looking pretty decent when I first drew them. They've just moved out now. And I don't know. I kind of like keeping the original lines. I think we're about to be toast here. It's finally over. Now we got 110 and 108. What if it holds $1? That's okay. It's just too long. Once, because my idea is that this is the uptrend. And so once we get like the double top, I want to move my stop under that low. And then, you know, either it goes from there or that's the end of that idea. So I'm okay with stopping out. If it holds one, I'm okay with stopping out at 105. If it comes down there, it's just the structure. The structure for my idea would have been broken. Held this 106 low for an hour. INVS. Wow, that's a nice pattern there, boy. That looks pretty decent. Hmm. Man. Nah, I ain't taking any more trades today, Rob. MNTS looks pretty cool. I just really wish this thing could have just made a decision. Guess it is making its decision. 90, 106, 107. New 30-minute candle. All right, I said 12:30, right? Yo, VRME is looking real good. Oh, for real, Trey? Not being a bad influence. Yeah, this is retarded. There's literally no volume.
Order filled.
All right. Something happened. uh, Could have got the 1R. I got my yellow line to yellow line trade, but I wanted the other yellow line. So didn't quite get to 2R on this one, but I think it was sellable. Just a little too greedy, I guess. Yeah. All right. Well, can we move this number to 3, guys? I think so. Pretty clean setup there. Just gotta sell that yellow line next time. Take home something. Take home something. Wow, first ever. First ever at 3 days. All right. I got 0.09. No, we're not adding or changing any laws. I'm okay with if it doesn't hit my target, it just doesn't. I want to be selling through these yellow lines though. Regardless. But yeah. The volume had definitely died here. But other than that, I'm happy with how I managed it. And some things you manage based on your emotions. Like, I know that if I would have gotten out earlier or gotten out above my stop and then it would have went off, I would have been a lot more upset than stopping out break even. So yeah, but this is my main win for the day, and I'm totally happy with that. And I mean, to take a trade and not have my idea worked. I just, didn't get as much extension as I wanted to on it. But yeah, man, I didn't do anything stupid. Like, the main thing is just to get to where I can depend on who I'm gonna be when I sit down here, and I can trust myself to not take trades into resistance or trades in the range or things that I look back and say, man, I wish I didn't do that. This trade, I could have taken this, but I had reasons not to, and I'm okay with passing that up, because most of the time when I have reasons not to trade, the possibility that it could be a winner overrides all the reasons to not take the trade, and I just dive in that bad boy. So overcoming that side of things and being like, well, I'm just not sure, so I'm not gonna take it. Like, that is brand spanking new. Because usually if I'm like, what the heck, let's jump in there and see. So yeah, this is interesting. This is really cool. Like, the frustration of not having control of yourself as an adult with children. To sit here and just be like, something you would spank your child for repeatedly doing the bad thing, you know. Like, bro, how many times do I have to tell you to stop buying resistance? How many times, bro? Let me tell you again. Join us for Donuts and Profit and INBS Lounge. Shoot, man, that thing is rolling. Yeah, this would have been a cool little spot, but I wouldn't have bought it because of that, probably. Man. All right, so I think one thing I want to keep in front for myself is that it's okay to not take the trade. You know, like I was really feeling kind of upset for a minute that I didn't take this. But like if I was telling somebody to trade for me and I explained them um and I explained to them the rules to my strategy and they were like, "All right, what if there's like a setup where I'm not really sure if if it's like lined up? Like what if I feel good about it but I'm just not sure. Should I just go ahead and take the trade or what?" I'm like, "No. Just it's okay if you don't take it. Only take it if you feel absolutely, if all the boxes are checked. If you're not sure, it's okay to just sit back and let it play out." So that's kind of, I want to give myself permission to not take the trade. So yeah, lots of good dubs today. The trading window is something that I really like. Hit the buy button right now. But why would I not be sure? Um, well, the pattern, like sometimes like here, okay, this does we get the higher low here, but I wouldn't want to take this one because this is a reset candle. So when that happens, I need an additional higher low after this, which came right here. But this candle is big red volume and it's a lower high at the same time as it makes the lower low. So that kind of made me a little nervous. And like if this didn't have that top, I guess this would still be the lower high. So yeah, I don't know, man. I just felt that this candle was all making the high and the low. I don't know. It's an indecision candle, right? So yeah, it just wasn't clear for me. VRME, the head and shoulders. No, I don't have my eyes trained to head and shoulders pattern at all. I'll never see it. This is VRME is looking really nice. Really nice on the 5. It looked nice on the 15 right here, and now it just made a higher high and a higher low above 117. This looks beautiful. VRME is saucy right now. Saucy on multiple time frames. You see them when you see yourself in the mirror. Oh yeah. Man. Yeah, MNTS looks nice right now too. Watch this little dirty rat come off and go up to 125. And Trey gonna be like, "You shouldn't have interfered," and I'm gonna be like, "You're right." But yeah, I mean there's usually one good easy setup that I can catch. And if I don't catch it, then I just missed it and I can just wait for the next day. You know, like this is one that I could have catch, but I could see myself passing it up too because of how long the tail is and feeling like I need to wait. Um, but that was it. That was it. And this was a nice higher low double bottom situation. See, I could have seen myself buying there, but it's one thing I really like having my window. Yeah, make a problem for the IRS. Yeah, no doubt. All right, well, I'm out of here, man. I'm calling it a day for sure. I guess I can give myself a 0.1 R right here, right? So we'll go up to 9. Oh no, we got to go up to that's 4.8. Yeah, is that right? I'm not tripping. 0. What are we talking about here? Yeah, I'm gonna give myself the point. Give myself the point, yo. All right, Dirk. Look at this dirty rat. All right, man. Hit that like button for me, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. And look out for the review video. And I will catch y'all tomorrow, God willing. Peace.